No, 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 no. What happened? I sent the message to him. To who? The person I was talking about. What did the message say? It's about someone from work. And you sent it to that person? Yes, by mistake. Let me show you what happened. Who are you texting? Maya, I'm telling you about someone at work. He made the meeting really uncomfortable today. I just need to tell you what happened. Did you send it? Wait. No. No, no, no. I sent it to him. Can you delete it? I'm trying. Oh no. What? He already read it. What are you gonna do? Maybe I should apologize. Keep it simple. I don't know what to say. Just tell him the truth. Okay, I'll try. Okay, sent. Now we wait. I hope this goes well. There's a reply. What does it say? Okay, he says he understands. Is he angry? No. He says the meeting was difficult for him too. That's better than you expected. Much better. Wait, there's more. What does it say? Can we talk tomorrow? That sounds important. Yeah, I think we need to talk. I guess I can't avoid this conversation. You don't have to. Just be honest. You're right. I'll talk to him tomorrow. And this time, check who you're texting first. Trust me, I learned my lesson. Who is it? It's him. Are you gonna answer? Yes, I need to. Hello?
Hi, Emma. Is this a good time to talk?
Yes. Actually, I wanted to apologize.
It's okay. I wanted to talk too.
Okay, I'm listening.
I know the meeting was uncomfortable.
You noticed that too?
Yes,
I was stressed.
and I didn't explain myself well.
And I was frustrated too, but I should have talked to you directly.
I'm glad we talked.
Me too. Let's start fresh tomorrow.
That sounds good.
See you tomorrow. So, how did it go? Better than I expected. We're okay now. That's good news. Oh, wait. What is it? He wants me to lead tomorrow's meeting. He wants you to lead the meeting? Yes, tomorrow morning. Are you ready for that? Honestly, not really. Then let's prepare. Okay, let's do it. Let's start with your opening. What should I say first? Keep it simple. Welcome, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining. Perfect. Now tell them what the meeting is about. Today, we're going to talk about the new project. Good. Now explain the goal. Our goal is to finish the first part by Friday. Clear and simple. That's better. Okay, I think I can do this. Yes, you can. Okay, let's practice a question. What if someone asks why the project is late? I don't know what to say. Don't panic, just explain the reason clearly. Okay, we had a few problems at the beginning. But we're fixing them now. Good. Now finish with the plan. We'll finish the first part by Friday. Exactly. Problem, solution, plan. Okay, one harder question. What if we miss Friday again? We have a backup plan. What is it? We'll add extra support and adjust the schedule. Good. Stay calm and give them a solution. I can do that. Now let's practice the ending. Does anyone have any questions? Thanks, everyone. I'll send the update this afternoon. Perfect. Short and professional. That feels much easier now. It's getting late. Yeah, I think we've done enough for tonight. You know what to say. Just trust yourself. Thanks. I feel much better now. Tomorrow, I'll be ready. You will. Okay, one last review. What's your first line? Good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining. Perfect. And if someone asks a hard question, I'll stay calm and explain the plan. Okay, no more practice. Good. You already know what to do. Stay calm, explain the problem, give the plan. Exactly, and don't rush. All right, I'm ready. Go get 'em. Text me after the meeting. I will. The meeting starts in 30 minutes. Okay, time to go. 10 minutes early. Good. Room B. There it is. Okay, Emma, you've got this. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Thanks for joining. Today, I want to give you a quick project update. What's changed since yesterday? We found the main problem, and the team is already working on it. There's one more problem.
The client wants a change before Friday.
What kind of change?
They want a new design for the first page.
Okay, let me check what we can adjust. We may need to change the schedule.
Can we still finish on time?
Yes, but we'll need to change our priorities. Let's finish the first page today and move the other changes to tomorrow.
That works for me.
Great. That plan makes sense.
But what if the client asks for another change?
Then we'll review the request before changing the schedule again. Exactly.
Exactly.
First, we check the impact.
Then we decide together. Sounds good. I think we're clear.
Great. So here's the plan. We finish the first page today and review the new design tomorrow. I'll send everyone the updated schedule this afternoon.
Thanks, everyone.
Let's get started. That went better than I expected. I have to tell Maya. Meeting went really well. Oh, another message. It's from him. He says, "You handled the meeting really well." That's nice. Can we talk for a minute? Okay, I wasn't expecting that. Sure, where are you? Okay, let's see what this is about. There he is. Hey,
Hey, Emma. Thanks for coming.
of course. What's going on?
I wanted to thank you for today.
For the meeting? Yes, you handled it really well. Thanks. I was pretty nervous.
It didn't show.
Really?
Really. And there's something else. I was the one who recommended you to lead the meeting.
You recommended me?
Yes, I knew you could handle it.
Wow, thank you. Why did you choose me? Because you stay calm when things go wrong. And people listen when you explain things. I never thought of myself that way.
Maybe you should.
Maybe I should.
Actually, there's another project starting next week.
Another project?
Yes, we need someone to help lead the team.
Are you asking me?
I'm asking if you're interested.
Yes, I am.
Great, I'll send you the project details later today.
Perfect, I'll take a look.
Thanks again for today, Emma.
Thank you for giving me the chance.
See you later.
See you. I have to tell Maya. So, how did it go? You won't believe what happened. What happened? He actually thanked me. Really? What happened? He told me I did a good job in the meeting. I knew you could do it. There's more. He asked me to help lead another project. Emma, that's amazing! Think about it. This all started as one wrong message. I thought it was the worst thing that could happen. But it helped you have the conversation you needed. You're right, I was afraid, but I learned something. Sometimes mistakes teach us something. I think I learned something today. What did you learn? That being nervous doesn't mean I can't do something. Exactly, you just needed confidence. Next time, I'll be more prepared. I know you will. Another message? Yes. But this time, I checked the name first. Good idea. I learned my lesson. So, a new project. I still can't believe it. You should believe it. You earned it. I think I just needed someone to believe in me. Sometimes other people see our strengths before we do. Is that about the new project? Yes, they sent me the details. Are you nervous? A little, but I know what to do now. I learned something important today. What? One mistake doesn't have to ruin everything. Sometimes it can lead to something better. I'm glad I didn't give up. Today was a big day. Yes, it was. If you enjoyed this story, subscribe and turn on notifications because tomorrow our story continues.